I'm out with Buster this afternoon. We're supposed to have big cold winds and a lot of wind tomorrow. So I wanted to get out here while I could, and he was the one that came to the fence, so he's who got worked. And Miss Doodlebug is along. Amy is along. Nikki is along. Tippy's out here somewhere. I don't know if he's going to come with me. I think he's waiting for the ride out to check cattle today. Good boy, Buster. Over cold wind. You know the rules. Good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, I feel the pressure changing and I'm ready for a nap. We're almost there, buddy. You ready? Let's working trot. What a good boy. Working trot. Keep moving. I'm not going to go very far. Nice big left-hand circle. Now a nice big right-hand circle. That's a good boy. We're just making half circles here. Yes, we are. Now let's go to the left. You are so easy. You're so gentle and you're so pleasant. Up. Buster, whoa. Whoa. Can you back a step or two? Come on back. That's a boy. No, come back. No, I don't want you turning off to the side. Yeah, you got your bits all messed up, didn't you? Whoa. Whoa. Walk on. Good boy. Slow trot. Buster, slow trot. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh, good. Working trot. Yes, we're headed away from the home. It is getting windy. It's still relatively warm, and I'm out with Buster. He is a 3-year-old gelding, and he is going to be the nicest, most gentle, easy to get along with horse. He's just a doll.